Well, I'm on my way to meet Neil at J&S, and if you're going to end up worrying why I'm late, Neil, which I'm not at the moment, but it looks like I might be because of all these. Fuck off, cow. Just do your job and get through. Iron me up. Well, we're nearly at J&S, we're just coming up to it now. If old Neil's here, I might have a ride on his bike and film that. And let him have a go on the quick shifter, see what he thinks. Come on, cunt. Neil's on my bike, testing out the old quick shifter. I'm on old Brian. I'll tell you what, it's shock to the system getting on Brian again now. For an old sports tour, it used to be when I had the Zzr600, it was comfy as out. Now, I'm coming back down to that, a lot of weight on my wrist now. But still, not totally uncomfy. It's glad to be moving, I'm that hot. Don't blow you about as much on this bike, being a bit heavier. But the brakes I've got to get used to. The brakes on the old slag are fucking keen compared to these. We've got some cakes in from towing in his rucksack. It's about 27-28 degrees. We'll try and get it back before they melt in his rucksack. Couldn't get out with creaming, it would have just been a mess. So I think these have got icing on though. So we'll have to see what they're like when we get back here. Probably got about an hour, something like that. In that rucksack breeding Margaret's he will be, and it is that. Even this now, 75 or whatever we're doing, the wind is just warm wind. Had to turn. Got the pack torque bold rigged up to his Bluetooth, but Bluetooth, when you rig them up, he's just on all the time. Like the mesh when me and Oggy have linked up through these, it's quiet till one of us speak. Well, this just not wind noise is unbelievable, so I turned him off till we get off the 55, get on slower roads. Otherwise it's just deafening, you can't hear out. But he's got the sat nav on my bike, but I've got it coming through the Bluetooth on the helmet, which is nice. Working a bloody treat here. We'll go back Neil's, get the synopsis. Yeah. You heard me. What he thinks of it, and then I'm going to nip my mum's and sit on an ice pop, which would be nice. Not for the ice pop though. I cannot wait to get a look at them cakes.
Hey?
Can't wait to get a look at them cakes.
Oh no, yeah.
Oh god mate, my fucking legs. My legs and my arse are wet.
I think they might be alright.
Crazy bitch you are. Would you I didn't follow you? One of the cunts were turning. Goodbye my lover, goodbye my friend. The cakes, did we make it?
I don't know which is top and bottom.
Have a push.
Yeah.
We're upside down.
Deb should have marked it, really.
You should have done.
Oh.
Is it?
I don't know.
Yeah.
Oh,
God.
No.
Let's have a look, mate.
No.
They've melted. Oh no, that's not bad really. Get them in fridge, mate. You'll be able to separate them.
Yeah. Oh, it's only good that that's just gone onto it.
Yeah,
hasn't it?
that's all.
Oh.
Right,
no, take that off.
He's got it. It's beautiful.
Oh, God, it's only smudged it.
Get it in fridge, mate. Get it in fridge. It's beautiful. Like a bowl of dog shit. Synopsis on the quick shifter with Neil. That's funky. That's right.
Yeah, I'd say I like it. It took me half an hour of riding, I'd say, where I had to build myself up to changing gear. Where I was sort of thinking, like, don't shut the throttle, don't just, so I'd build myself up and then it'd be alright. Then I settled into it, but yeah, I think I like it. It's a nice little toy, isn't it?
Clunky. You find it clunky then?
Only a couple of times, and that could just been, that
See,
was more me rushing the gear change than it. Even low revs and just steady revs, not accelerating, I'd notice it that bad.
Yeah. See, I don't know. Mine's normally in fourth gear. I find it clunky, and I've tried shifting it slower, and I'm thinking, well, have I got constant revs on? Have you got to be constantly accelerating slowly, or just keeping it the same? But everything I've read, you know what I mean? I don't know, that guy that I saw on YouTube the other night, he said that he was saying, and he thought something was wrong with the quick shifter, and he was kicking it up too fast. Well, that's what a quick shifter's for. So he said, oh, you just fucking sort of like hold it at the top for a bit, and it'll fucking give it time to go in, but you shouldn't have to.
I can't say I noticed it, and even to points where I'd accelerate up to, I don't know, 60, 70.
That was fucking shit like that. Yeah, 60, 70, maybe 40.
And, up to fourth gear, and then just at constant revs change up to fifth and sixth, and I thought it was alright.
Yeah. There we go, synopsis.
I would recommend one.
Oh,
yeah.
Recommend it. He's recommending it.
Anyone with a scooter or anything.
Anyone with a scooter, get a quick shifter. Well worth it. Remember that shit, yeah?